Yep, I want to talk about three Deessers here. These three Deessers, how they work differently. Let's just see which one is better. There's another Deesser I would like to add here. This is me singing. You guys should send me vocals so that I use for my YouTube videos. But it's me singing. Let's hear it. Goodbye, we must say. Okay. So you hear the C, there's S there, like SSS. Goodbye, we must say. Okay, remember I showed you some DSs. We have three here. If you don't have DSer, there is one that comes with FL Studio. I'm trying to get it. Maximus. Okay, this is Maximus. What you just do, you come to your preset here and go to DSR. Okay, we have narrow band and wide band. I think I've done a video on this before. Let me just take split band. Okay, this is split band. Let's hear it. Goodbye, we must say. Without it. Goodbye, we must say. Okay, let's leave that as one of the DSRs. I've done some setting here and we're using about 6 dB reduction in almost all of them. The way I'm seeing it is like each of these DSRs, they have a kind of a sound to them, like a particular way of sound, like characteristics. Is that what I call it? Or maybe if it's analog instruments, say analog sound. So let's just hear this one. This one is very nice. I normally use this one since I've been using it until I changed to one other one, and it's here too. So let's hear it. Goodbye, we must say. That's the DSR from Waves. Nice sound again. Goodbye, we must say. Without it. Goodbye, we must say. I think it has this fullness to the voice itself. Okay, this is another DSR from Waves, Arrow DSR. Goodbye, we must say. This one is more open, I think. From what I'm hearing, it's more transparent. This Arrow DSR. Goodbye, we must say. Without it. Goodbye, we must say. Okay, let's switch between this DSR and this Arrow DSR. Let's switch between the two. I'll call this normal DSR, but it's not normal DSR from Waves. But that's what I just want to call it. I'll just call it normal DSR. Then I'll call this one Arrow DSR. Okay, so the normal DSR from Waves. Goodbye, we must say. The Arrow DSR. Goodbye, we must say. I think the Arrow DSR is more transparent than the normal DSR. I'm just calling it normal DSR. It has this kind of characteristics to it. It has a character, like it has, like when you use analog instrument, the character of the analog instrument, like a compressor is not a compressor. One compressor is different from another compressor. An SSL is different from an API. It has different sound. You understand? So that's what I can see from this. This one is more transparent. This RDSR is more transparent to me. Then this one has a character to it. This normal one. And it's nice. It's like, the sound is rich. I used it those days. Then I discovered this guy is the Pro DS from fabfilter. It's extraordinary. I just love it. I discovered it recently. So it's super nice. I love it. It's not like it's so much better, but it's the sound I like from this. It gives me the sound I like. So let's just hear it. Goodbye, we must say. I love it. This fabfilter DSR is superb. I just love it. Then this one is the one from FL Studio. Yeah, if you don't have DSR, you can just use it. FL Studio users. Goodbye, we must say. Without it. Goodbye, we must say. Say it's just punching out. But let's go from the top. Normal DSR from Waves. So I'll just go one by one. Without DSR. Goodbye, we must say. Normal DSR from Waves. Goodbye, we must say. The spread, man. The Arrow DSR. Goodbye, we must say. More transparent. Pro DS from fabfilter. Goodbye, we must say. Then I just love this. It's nice. And the one Maximus from FL Studio. Goodbye, we must say. For a plugin assistant FL Studio, this Maximus is really dope. From Maximus. Goodbye, we must say. Pro DS. Goodbye, we must say. That's quality there. Arrow Deesser from Waves. Goodbye, we must say. It's more transparent than the normal Deesser. I'm just calling it normal. If somebody knows the name of this thing, okay, it's nothing. It's still a thing, right? Of this Deesser from Waves, you tell me, man. Because I'm sure I'm not calling it correct. Like, it's not normal Deesser. Like, you should have a name. I'm just saying Deesser here. Goodbye, we must say. This Deesser has lots of characteristics to it. It has its own sound. But if you need more transparent stuff and you have the Waves bundle, maybe you don't have fabfilter, you can use this Arrow Deesser from Waves. This Maximus from FL Studio is also a great Deesser, although I think, no, you get what you pay for. The quality is there from these other guys. Okay, so what I want to do now, I want to remove the threshold to 0 and see how it sounds like. So nothing, no threshold there, all the way up. I don't want any de-essing here. I think to do this one, you need to carry it up, right? Goodbye, we must say. Goodbye, we must say. Okay, so I just take this point up. If I take it all the way down, the de-essing will be high. Goodbye. You get the point. Goodbye, we must say. Ow! So this is like the threshold. You see it, this here. It's like I'll do a video on this Maximus, how to DS on Maximus. I think I've done it before, but I need to do it again so that we can get it very well. Oh, I even have this other DSR on. Why showing that? But you get the point. So let's just run through them. No DSing, just the sound. The normal Waves DSR. Let's go. No DSing now. Goodbye, we must say. Okay. Now with the normal DSR from Waves. Goodbye, we must say. Like there's a sound to it. Let me remove it. Goodbye, we must say. Now I add it. Listen to it. There's this spread, like a switcher. Goodbye, we must say. The voice is yeah. What's that thing called? The vocal fries just came out. Like, yes, that's the name we call it. Vocal fries. It's just out from that. Let's go to the next one. The Arrow Deesser. Goodbye, we must say. Without the Arrow Deesser. Goodbye, we must say. With. Goodbye, we must say. Man, this one also have a sound to it. Listen to the high end. Goodbye, we must say. With the Arrow Deesser. Goodbye, we must say. Goodbye, we must say. All these Deessers, they have a sound to them. Let me see this Pro Deesser from fabfilter. Goodbye, we must say. Without the Pro Deesser. Goodbye, we must say. With. Goodbye, we must say. There is definitely something going on even without the de-essing. Just like I said about having an analog sound, like analog instrument and the sound to it. Let's check the Maximus. So, goodbye, we must say. Without the Maximus. Goodbye, we must say. I think I've added something to this Maximus because the high end is just coming out. Goodbye, we must say. Okay. No much comment, let's leave that. Observation from what I've seen, these DSRs have sound to them, and I believe other DSRs too, they will have sound to them. This is just what I've observed. Like I've not seen anybody do this kind of video. Like nobody have said it, and I've just observed it, and I said I should put it out there so that the music community, the other music producers can observe what I personally have observed. Maybe somebody have observed it, but have not put it out there. But I have observed it, and I'm putting it out there for you to check out. I think I'm the first person to observe it, and I'm putting out there. There are lots of things that I put out there that nobody does. Like nobody does it. Like I've not heard it anywhere. Like I just do it myself, and on this channel you can check them out. So that we help the music community. The more you give, the more you receive, right? So the more I give, the more I receive, the more tricks I receive, on how to use all this stuff. And if you want to know more and you want to check out more, subscribe to this channel. Keep the comments coming. It's one of the things that's making me go on. It's really comments. Like, it's really comedy. Thank you, brother. One guy asked me, do you speak French? I'm like, oh. Thank you guys very much. I love you guys. I'm a pro to this alloneprostudio. That's it.